Hi everybody, how are you? I hope everybody is fine and welcome again in this new video, which in fact will be a short one. It's about video of yesterday. This one, if you still remember it, I have posted it yesterday in the channel. Let's play it. So this one. In this one we have seen how to extract and clean Bios of a Dell. This exact one, you can see here in the screen, Dell G5 155500, and we got feedback today in Telegram about the laptop and it's working fine. So the feedback is here it is. So thank you. I already put into practice what was taught in the video and I managed to repair the BIOS now. If it works correctly, thank you, they are all great. So he's trying to use Google Translate. He's speaking in fact Spanish, as he said here. So I speak Spanish, maybe the translator changes what I want to say. Anyway, it's really great that we got the machine back to work. And so in fact I have asked him about the laptop in which post. Let me show you. Okay, yes, it's here. So have you tried the files? So here is the file. So yesterday, as far as I finished the video, I have uploaded the files here for him to try them, and as you can see here, so I replayed. Thanks, I'll try tomorrow and let you know it's time to rest in my country. So this was yesterday at you can see the time here. Thank you, you are great. I am watching you YouTube that you sent me. I thank you for your time. So he means this video. Just replied that the advantage of having LBE great communities with you, bro, every day, and that's in fact true. So LBE users are supported every day in this group, and the original post was this one, as you have seen in the video. If not yet, you can go back to the first video, which I will put a direct link to it in the description of this actual one. So hello, can someone help me with the BIOS for the Dell G5 15550 model attachment? My file not working. I tried it with LBE, but I can't clean my files. So we have downloaded the files, we have done the necessary job, and as I said, you just have to watch the video on my channel to check how we did that. So that's it. I just want to share with you the feedback of this case, and for LBE users, I have the link for you here to check the case. You can just click on this link and open Telegram group, and you will be redirected to the original post, and from here you can check all the replays about this post, or you can do this and here you have view to replays. So this will open another session, another discussion in which you will get the replays. So if we go back here too, you can view 8 replays. So for the files, I posted the files here you can view 8 replays. So it opens the discussion, and you can see here the first replay was from me. It I mean the replay to these files. So it was from me, which contains the files after repair the BIOS. And here is the discussion between me and the requester, and you can get a full idea about this case by just following these steps. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video of yesterday, and if any question, as usual, you can ask in the comment of this video. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one, which I hope it will be soon. Bye bye.